What if your wallet could actually teach you discipline? Sounds odd, right? But think about it. How often do we spend without realizing where the money went? Or tell ourselves we'll start saving next month, only to see the next month vanish in a blink? Money slips away quietly, but discipline brings it back under control. In today's video, we're not talking about boring budgets or complicated investment plans. We're talking about challenges, real, actionable money challenges that will push your habits, test your patience, and reward you with stronger financial control. These 8 challenges aren't just about saving a few bucks. They're about rewiring your mindset so that saving, budgeting, and investing becomes second nature. 1. The 52-week challenge. Let's start with one of the classics, the 52-week money challenge. It's simple but incredibly powerful. Here's how it works. In week 1, you save $1. Week 2, $2. Week 3, $3. And by week 52, you're saving $52. By the end of the year, you'll have over $1,300 quietly sitting in your savings account, all from a routine that barely feels like work. The beauty of this challenge lies in its simplicity. It's gradual, so you barely feel the pinch in the beginning. And by the time you're saving larger amounts, you've already developed a strong saving habit. You can even flip it, start big, and work backward if you want to front-load your savings while motivation is high. What makes this so effective isn't just the math, it's the rhythm. Week after week, you teach yourself that saving isn't a one-time decision. It's a consistent act. Think of it as strength training for your financial habits. The more reps you do, the stronger you get. 2. The 100 envelope challenge. If you love surprises, this one's for you. The 100 envelope challenge. Imagine labeling 100 envelopes from 1 to 100. Each day, you pick one randomly and put that amount of money inside. It could be $3 today or $95 tomorrow. You never know what's coming. By the end of the 100 days, you'll have saved $5,050. Sounds ambitious? It is, but it's also flexible. You can adapt it based on your budget. Maybe you do it weekly instead of daily, or reduce the numbers to fit your comfort zone. The fun part is the unpredictability. It keeps things exciting and challenging. What this challenge really teaches is commitment. You can't guess what number comes next, so you learn to manage your money around uncertainty. It mimics real life, where unexpected expenses appear out of nowhere. Completing it gives you not just a pile of savings, but also confidence that you can stay disciplined no matter what curveballs life throws at you. 3. The Guess Your Bills Challenge. Now, let's make saving a little more psychological. The Guess Your Bills Challenge is all about awareness. Before the month starts, write down your guesses for your main expenses: electricity, internet, groceries, fuel. Then, as the bills roll in, compare the actual amount with your estimate. If you guess higher, great. Transfer the difference into your savings. If you guess lower, still transfer the difference as a reminder to be more accurate next time. It's like turning your bills into a game of precision and reward. This challenge doesn't just help you save, it sharpens your financial intuition. You start noticing how small habits, like turning off unused lights or cooking at home, make real differences. Over time, you become more conscious of your spending patterns. And the best part? You'll begin to predict your expenses like a pro, a key skill for long-term financial discipline. 4. The 1% Retirement Challenge. This one's subtle but life-changing. The 1% Retirement Challenge. The idea is simple. Increase your retirement contribution by just 1%. If you currently save 5% of your income, make it 6%. That's it. You won't even feel the difference in your paycheck. But your future self will thank you massively. That tiny 1% can compound into thousands over the years. Let's say you earn $60,000 a year. Increasing your contribution by just 1% means putting aside less than $12 a week. But over a few decades, that small adjustment could add up to over $100,000 more for your retirement. What makes this challenge brilliant is its invisibility. You don't have to remember to do anything once it's set. Automation does the work. The real magic here is mindset. You stop treating saving for retirement as an optional chore and start seeing it as a default part of your life. 5. The Roll the Dice Challenge. Now, let's make saving fun. The Roll the Dice Challenge is as unpredictable as it sounds. Each day, roll a single die. Whatever number you land on, that's the amount you save. Roll a 4, set aside $4. Roll a 6, that's $6 in your savings. It's like a game with real financial rewards. Do it daily for a year, and you could end up with anywhere between $365 and $2,000, depending on your luck and consistency. You can even make it more exciting by rolling 2 dice to double the savings. What this challenge teaches is that saving doesn't have to be boring. It turns something most people dread into a playful habit. If you involve your kids or partner, it becomes a family ritual, a daily act of financial teamwork. Over time, you'll find yourself looking forward to saving money instead of avoiding it. 6. The Temperature Challenge. Ready to mix weather with wealth? The Temperature Challenge ties your savings to the day's temperature. If it's 80 degrees, save $8. If it's 35 degrees, save $3.50. You can do this weekly or daily, depending on your budget. It's quirky but surprisingly effective. On hot days, you save more, and those extra dollars can add up faster than you think. If you live somewhere with extreme weather, consider setting limits or adjusting the amount by half. The key is consistency, not the number itself. This challenge adds a sense of spontaneity to your finances. It's like nature reminding you to save. Plus, it makes you look forward to the weather forecast for more than just planning your outfit. Over time, these small weather-based deposits become a steady stream of progress toward your goals. 7. The Birthday Challenge. Here's one that makes celebration productive. The Birthday Challenge. Every time someone you know has a birthday, save a fixed amount. It could be $10, $20, or even an amount that matches their age. When your friend turns 30, save $30. When your cousin turns 12, tuck away $12. By the end of the year, you'll have a nice pile of savings, all connected to positive memories. It's a double win. You get to celebrate others and invest in yourself. It turned a routine happy birthday into a financial habit that lasts all year long. The hidden benefit? It keeps you consistent. Since birthdays come regularly, you'll have steady checkpoints to save throughout the year. And you might even find yourself looking forward to birthdays, not just for cake, but for the satisfaction of hitting your next savings target. 8. The Subscription Pause Challenge. Last but definitely not least, the Subscription Pause Challenge. We live in a world of endless subscriptions, streaming platforms, delivery services, premium apps, you name it. But here's the truth. Most of us are paying for things we barely use. So, this month, challenge yourself to pause 1 or 2 subscriptions. Maybe it's that extra streaming service you haven't opened in months, or a gym membership you forgot existed. Whatever it is, cancel or pause it, and redirect that money straight into savings. This challenge helps you realize how much of your income disappears on autopilot. It teaches awareness, restraint, and intentional spending. And who knows, after a few weeks, you might not even miss those subscriptions. That's when you've truly won, when saving feels better than spending. So, which of these challenges caught your attention first? Maybe it's the envelope challenge that feels like a fun mystery, or the retirement one that gives your future a solid foundation. The truth is, each of these is a small, simple way to strengthen your financial discipline. And that's what really matters. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Even completing one of these challenges means you're actively taking charge of your money instead of letting it control you. Don't underestimate what consistency can do. The small savings you start with today can become the foundation of financial freedom tomorrow. So, pick your challenge, mark your calendar, and get started. If you want to push yourself further, combine 2 or 3 of them for a month and see how it changes your mindset. You might be surprised how quickly financial discipline turns into second nature. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. It helps support the channel and brings more people into the journey towards smarter money habits. Thanks for watching.